Morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto S50 Neo, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. But first open the settings, then find and select Personalize. Here mark Wallpaper, and as you can see you can choose your new wallpaper from your own photos or curated images. So let's mark curated images, mark change wallpaper again, and now tap either on your own photos or on device wallpapers. Let me pick, for example, this one. Now we can take a look how it will look on your both home and lock screen. And if you like it and want to apply it, mark confirmation mark. And that's it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.